Come on in. Let's chat. Now, if that doesn't work out for you, come back for a refund.
Not all my subjects survive my experiments.
Take your time. I'm pretty late. If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
Another step forward on my path. I will fight you, but only so that I can study you. You are a child to me, and I will punish you. If you think you've hurt my feelings, I assure you I have none.
Your gold. We want it. An outrage! Ah!
I love this company. You came all the way here. Might as well stock up. If you buy one more, I might get promoted. No pressure, though.
I will leave you alive to learn the lesson. If you knew my true purpose, you would stand aside. share with me your secrets?
Welcome to Gigamart. Can I help you? Those carts are huge for a reason. Buy more!
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does. You might try JJ's shop. Real friendly guy.
I have too much strength for one blade. You fight like a dervish, without honor.
Smart shoppers buy vintage. New is for suckers. I don't make these like they used to. You say old. I say thoroughly tested. Our items have lived. They have stories.
Why must we do this? Death laughs at us both.
My dreams are too big for you to steal. Next time, I'll show you what I learned from this.
Sale, no sale. I want what's right for you. Hey, that's okay. It's been nice talking to you.
I seek the ultimate power. I have no time for you. After all these centuries, there is still more to learn.
You seem lighter. I think you had a breakthrough.
Ooh, that one's on sale. Buy 200, get one free.
I have faced 82 foes exactly like you. People are a pattern.
I can sell you these bubbles, but my gossip is worth more. I only sell these to amuse myself.
Everything is enemy. Attack everything! Not tell Queen that I ever lose.
With each new discovery, the formula of life is revealed.
You're not just buying my portal. Ready? You're going to feel a little tingle.
I seek the ultimate secret. Will you get me any closer? In 100 years when you are dust, I will remain. I have no pride for you to wound.
Strange. I feel smart. I feel every particle of a living dimensional universe. Even their gifts were insufficient. I'll just get on home now.
Closer and closer. I can hear my sister's laughter. You remind me of someone I fought last century.
You do see these tusks, right? I can see you're going places, but I'll be chasing you.
I'm just your guide. The beasties are your teachers. See how she crouches before the strike? You can use that.
Few warriors live to retire. By my book, the Bazaar is not kind to the weaponless.
Oh, who are you?
The Bazaar has many secrets. I will uncover them all.
By not taking my class, you're perpetuating anti-mycotic narratives.
I didn't serve 10 years in the Outlands to take disrespect from you! I lost a limb in every Outland. I'll regrow this one too!
Thing of true beauty.
You say objective fact. I say one person's daydream. Change it? Me. It was already like that.
If you knew my true purpose, you would stand aside.
I've been tracking you across the Outlands. Your scent is strong. You're not bad, but this is what I do. It's all I do.
Respect nature, and nature will still eat you.
My mind glows. I see everything!
I bet you could have sworn that was something else.
Man or beast? Sometimes it's hard to tell.
Have you seen Sylvia by any chance? And with a blast of pure charisma, voila!
I will leave you alive to learn the lesson.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
My power burns hotter, melting away impurities.
My people are forgotten. I am all that remains. I sink through the stars. The colors cast me out.
With enough power, I will defeat death itself.
You are by far my most gifted student. But some gifts can be curses.
In 100 years when you are dust, I will remain.
Ah, a friend. I mean, a customer. Do you have to leave already?
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about moderation. I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird.
Disgusting creatures. Another step forward on my path. Why must we do this? Death laughs at us both. You are a child to me, and I will punish you. I take no apprentice. None have proven worthy.
size dilutes the brain. Mine, I think that suits you beautifully. Whoever said money can't buy class had neither.
The Great Disc has all you need. Why must you plunder the heavens? We are moon dwellers. This is our home.
After all these centuries, there is still more to learn.
Tightened, tempered, oiled, and tubed. You're not getting hurt on purpose just to come see me, are you? The more you get hurt, the more we can hang out.
Of course I can help you, but only if you help yourself.
When we are finished, may I dissect you for study?
Go ahead. Underestimate me. It makes this more fun. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
If you have to ask the price, you can't afford it. Tell everyone you got it here.
Welcome in, hon. What can I get you? See that mountain? That's Pole. He might have what you need.
What strange creatures prowl these streets? With each new discovery, the formula of life is revealed.
I've taught you all I can. Until tomorrow, that is.
Need to move some inventory. not growing, you're failing.
I will fight you, but only so that I can study you.
My people believe in peace. Boring! Well, I guess motivation isn't everything.
A result befitting my centuries of experience.